Hi, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. Today's video is a little different from my previous videos. I am wanting a work table for use outside, so I decided to remove the top of this old work table and replace it with better wood. This was my sawing table, and it had been sitting outside in the weather, and the top had started splitting and splintering. I actually thought this was going to be a simple pull the top boards off and replace with new, but no, that's not what happened. As you can see, the entire table had these little white termites eating the entire thing. So I had a little bit of fun and got a little frustration out by destroying and burning the entire table. My quick little rehab turned into building a brand new work table. I found the 4 pallet posts to use for the legs, and I cut down 4 1x4s to create the base of the new work table. I had to get hubby to come out and make sure everything was square. I'm just not good at that, and he is the best at figuring out how to fix what I screw up. And he will be the first to tell you I screw up a lot of projects. After I had the 2 sides put together, we laid everything on the ground so I could attach the front and back parts. We decided I needed to put a board in the middle to give it a little extra support. I used our sliding table saw to cut down a 1x4 to fit in the middle of the table. We measured and marked the middle and then attached the board using a nail gun. Once the base was completed, I cut down some 1x4s for the top using my chop saw. I first used a nail gun to attach the top to the frame. I then went back and added screws, making sure I sunk them into the top. We then used a hand planer to get the top leveled out as much as possible. This was my first time using a hand planer, and I had fun. I stained the entire table using Minwax Ebony Stain. I love the color of the stain and use it as much as I can get away with. Although this table only took me a day and a half to complete, it was not an easy project, but this is the type of work I really enjoy doing. If you would like to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments below. If you haven't already, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to be notified when I upload new videos, simply hit the bell notification. As always, thanks for watching.